Now with some new content, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna be doing bed liner on my floorboards of my old Jeep here. This is a 1981 Jeep CJ5. You can tell it's a 5 because of the doorway here. On a CJ7, it's longer and then more square. But anyways, next couple days I'm gonna be cleaning this thing out, scrubbing the floors, getting all the oil off of it, and getting ready for some Raptor Bedliner. So hope you follow along with me and watch my progress. Now I just gotta vacuum it out. All right, now that all the shit and leaves are out, let's get these seats out. Which I know Jeep stands for just everybody else's parts, but I don't think these seats are original, because I don't think they ever went to the lumber yard to find parts. Alright, seats are out. I got lucky on the driver's side. All the original body bolts, the ones that are welded to the body itself, were still there. Passenger side was not. I also found that the roll cage is attached to an aftermarket plate. Looks like they might have ruined the body holes for those on both sides. And I found that little guy. So, be trying to work through all the things and get this thing cleaned up for some bed liner. Alright, so this is what I have switched to. It's a sanding pad. All these little squares are just 60 grit sandpaper. Obviously on a grinder. So I'm still waiting on a big pack to come in the mail, but Orscheln's had that on sale, so I figured I'd grab it and get a little work done. Well, this is where I'm going to leave it for the night. I know it doesn't look like I'm doing much, but take some time. Very messy, but going to keep on trucking. Alright guys, this is as much prep as I'm going to do. I've been working all day, getting as much as I can. This is good enough for me. I'm going to let it air dry some more. I just pressure washed it and then blew it out with air. So there's no standing water, but obviously it's still a little wet. Gonna let it dry for a few hours and then shoot it with some self-etching primer, which I kind of already did just to see how it was gonna coat. And hopefully I think I'm gonna try to shoot the floors tomorrow if the weather cooperates. So stay tuned. Thanks for following me this far. Alright, it's all primed. The weather's supposed to get really cold here in the next couple days, so I don't think I'll be shooting it due to have the garage door open, but it's primed. Alright guys, today is the day. This thing's gonna get some bed liner. I'm not worried about taping anything off with like the air box and the pedals and stuff. It can all be scraped off and go from there. Plus I don't have any masking tape, so stay tuned. I'm gonna get these mixed up. Okay, so I bought the Raptor bed liner kit. It's by U-Pull. I bought the 4-quart or 1-gallon kit. It comes with a big hardener and then 4 of these bottles along with a mixing cup. You mix, I believe it's going to end up being 3 parts liner and to 1 part hardener, but either way, I mean, you just fill it to the line. Fill it to the line. Where's the instructions? Fill, shake, and then shoot. You gotta shake it for at least 2 minutes. Okay, got that mixed up. Shaking it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That is the gun with my air chuck on it. Let's get to spraying. Well, there's 1 coat. Still wet, still tacky. Still just a little bit of tiger striping. Sorry I couldn't take you along with me. I was more concerned about quality of the paint job versus getting it on camera, but here's the after product. There's the gun. There's the air compressor, and it kept up just fine. Alright, now that she's pushed inside here, I was having leaves fall in it. I got a little low spots, especially back here on the rear spot. But I will take you along with my second coat here in about an hour. It's going to be. Sorry for the angle, that's about as best as I can get. Alright, so second coat is really used for the texture. But overall, I think it looks pretty good.